Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis taking a look at the euro. The euro continues to drift a bit lower against the US dollar, but ultimately, this is a market that I think continues to see a lot of upward momentum as well as down, as we are essentially stuck in a range. Both of these central banks are likely to loosen monetary policy later this year, and that, of course, has a big part to play in what happens next. Given enough time, I expect the 1.07 level to come into the picture and offer plenty of support, just as the 1.10 level should offer plenty of resistance. With that being said, I am fairly ambivalent on this market, but I do recognize that it offers the opportunity to do a lot of range-bound trading. Unfortunately, we are not near the overall support or resistance areas that I pay the most attention to, so I'm essentially sitting on my hands. However, that's not to say that this isn't a pair worth watching, because it gives you a good idea as to what's happening with the US dollar itself. As a general rule, if the euro is falling against the dollar, that means the dollar is probably strengthening against multiple other currencies around the world. That being said, if we can break out of this range, I think you have a real shot at a 200, maybe even 300 pip move based on basic measured moved technical analysis. Ultimately, I think this is going to be a range-bound pair for most of the year, so I'm not necessarily looking for anything big here to begin with. Over the longer term, I anticipate that we will probably trade in this range about 80% of this year, just like we did last year. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe.